Hello everybody, King of VHS Gamer 2000 here. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the 2008 Hoover Deluxe Elite Rewind model u5509-900. I've not done a review of this machine for a while. It's been sitting in the closet along with a few other machines, such as the 3 Senators, the 2 Pistols, and that's about it. I also did plan to get a Eureka ESP today, model 2062 Type D from 1970s. It's from September of 1970 to be at that. And we will go through those later in this appropriate part of the video. Let's go ahead and begin this review. Yes, I got your Hoover white pop cream logo down there. 12 amp maximum power. Automatic cord rewind, 24 feet. Lifetime HEPA filter on the side. Right here you got your airflow indicator, which tells you that it's time to change your filter so it's not any clogs. Underneath here you got your bristle. Hoover rewind bristle. Very soft bristle. There's no hair in it whatsoever. Yeah, good thing this bristle is in a little bit better condition now than it was before. You also got your height adjustment wheels, which are not loose. And speaking of hoses, you also got your Clear Deluxe stretch hose that's similar to Bissell Cleanview bagless model 3575-8. I'm actually going to be getting that one here soon. You also got your 7 height adjustments. Goes from low all the way to high pile carpet / area lugs. I actually like to leave it on low for this little pile of carpet in here and everything else. You also got your 2 attachments on the back. You also got your original Dusty Boy / upholstery tool and the extra long black Class tool, which is from a black Bissell Power Force bagged 3522-1 that I'm also going to be on a hunt for here soon, which I think is going to be very nice. So yeah, that's one nice thing I love about these Hoover Deluxe Elite Rewinds when they were new. So yeah. And these Hoover Deluxe Elite Rewinds actually comes with a very long power cord, which is very nice and long. So, yeah. That's one nice thing I love about these Hoover Deluxe Elite Rewinds. As they have very strong suction. And the only reason I did is because their super strong suction is excellent, even for what it is. So, yeah. I do need to put some electrical tape on this cord, but I might have electrical tape for it somewhere. I just don't remember where I put it. I might have left it downstairs in the car, but I'm not quite sure if I did or not. But with that said, we'll go ahead and get this along. I'm starting the new all-stock hoover rewind bottle. Doesn't seem funny, seems to run a whole lot better than it did. Especially when the old bottle was completely solid and it sounded extremely horrible. I decided to put a new all-stock hoover rewind bottle onto this thing. And doesn't seem funny runs a whole lot better than it did. And this entirely. So yeah. That's one nice thing I like about these deluxe rewind models and everything else. So yeah. Especially with the very nice long power cord, the clear deluxe stretch hose, which is from an old Bissell Cleavy bagless model 3575-8 Special Edition, which was made on the 229th day of 03, or at least 2003, I should say. Yeah. But I am on a hunt for a Bissell Cleavy bagless model 3575-8. It's from the 229th day of 2003, which I think is very nice for that year. So, yeah. But this here deluxe rewind does sound like a Bissell Cleavy. Either I think a 3575-8 or a 8975 or an 8975, I think it was called. So, but with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the review of the 2008 Hoover Deluxe Rewind u5509-900. And up next will be a comparison between the Phantom SC1614 and the Hoover Deluxe Rewind. And I'll wind up both in a comparison video. Well, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye, everybody.